Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress to make a blog. First, you will need to choose a reliable web host and register a domain name, which is your blog's address on the internet. Many hosts offer one-click WordPress installation, making setup incredibly simple. After installation, select a theme that visually represents your brand and customize its appearance to your liking. This foundational step takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Now that your site is set up, it's time to create content. From your WordPress dashboard, go to the Posts section and click Add New. Here, you can craft your blog entries, starting with a captivating title and then writing your main content. Remember to break up long paragraphs for readability. You can also easily embed images, videos, and other media to make your posts more dynamic and engaging for your readers. Aim for at least 300 words per post. To truly make your blog unique, dive into customization. The WordPress customizer allows you to adjust your site's layout, colors, and fonts in real time. Next, consider installing plugins. These are small software additions that extend WordPress's functionality. For instance, a good SEO plugin can significantly boost your visibility. There are thousands of free and premium plugins available, offering solutions for almost any need. From security to contact forms, this step can take 30 minutes or more. With your content ready and your site customized, it's time to publish. Always proofread your posts carefully before hitting the publish button. Once live, don't forget to promote your work. Share your new blog posts across various social media platforms to attract a wider audience. WordPress also offers basic analytics, or you can integrate tools like Google Analytics to track visitor numbers and engagement. Consistent publishing, perhaps 2 to 3 times a week, is key to growth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.